Hello, my creative friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are turning these beautiful fabric scraps into something truly special, practical, and stylish. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and check the description below. I've linked all the essential tools and materials used in today's project. We'll start by cutting 2 main body panels from our fabric strips. Next, let's prepare the outer patch pocket pieces. Carefully align and stitch the patch pockets directly onto the main exterior panels, taking your time to ensure clean, precise seam lines. We'll start by cutting 2 main body panels from our fabric strips. Next, let's prepare the outer patch pocket pieces. Carefully align and stitch the patch pockets directly onto the main exterior panels, taking your time to ensure clean, precise seam lines. Now, let's cut the lining pieces to match our main body. It's time to insert the zipper between the main fabric and the lining. Align the raw edges, pin securely, and top stitch neatly along the zipper tape for a polished finish. By the way, if you love creative fabric upcycling projects, make sure to check out my dedicated playlist linked in the description box below. There are so many inspiring tutorials waiting for you. Next, let's focus on the strap. Measure and cut the handle panel, fold the length inward, press, and top stitch along both long edges. Once crafted, position and securely attach the strap handles to the upper edge of our main panels. It's time to assemble everything. Pin and stitch the side and bottom seams of both the outer body and the lining panels. Be sure to leave a small gap open in the bottom lining seam for turning. Please watch carefully as every detail matters. If you need to slow down the tutorial to catch any step, click the gear icon in the video settings and reduce the playback speed. Once turned right side out, neatly close that remaining opening in the lining by hand using an invisible ladder stitch. And our stylish mini bag is completely finished. Look at these convenient outer patch pockets, perfect for keeping your phone, keys, or small essentials quick to reach. It's lightweight, incredibly practical, and ideal for everyday walks. I truly hope this tutorial inspires you to breathe new life into your favorite fabric scraps. If you enjoyed creating with me today, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more creative sewing guides. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.